Utah's population is on the rise, fueled by both local growth and newcomers. This surge has led to an ever-increasing need for housing. Remarkably, just in the past year, Utah witnessed the sale of nearly 10,000 homes in a mere 3 months. Navigating the real estate market can often be a complex journey. Adding to this complexity are the unique characteristics of Utah's real estate sector. So, what's the best way to ensure that your investment strategies in Utah's property market are top-notch? Stay tuned to discover essential tips and insights for making smart real estate investments in Utah. 1. Find the right property for sale in Utah. Securing the ideal property in Utah is crucial for investment success. Each real estate market has its unique dynamics, making it vital to grasp the specifics of Utah's market. Without knowledge of which types of homes are selling quickly, you'll be in the dark about the most promising investment opportunities. Patience is key in mastering Utah's real estate landscape. It's essential to monitor property listings closely and observe which ones are snapped up first. Ponder over the reasons behind the appeal of these fast-selling properties. Doing so can offer valuable insights into the preferences and priorities of buyers in Utah's real estate market. Before we delve deeper, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights like these. Stay informed and ahead in the real estate game by joining our community. 2. Improve your credit score. Based on your circumstances, enhancing your credit score can be highly advantageous, especially if you plan to leverage loans for your investments. A key strategy to boost your credit rating involves clearing out old debts. It's common for many to have outstanding debts they've long forgotten about. Utilizing a service that identifies and helps you resolve these old debts can significantly elevate your credit score in a matter of weeks. 3. Don't take too long. Utah's real estate market is exceptionally dynamic due to its rapidly expanding population. As a result, properties are quickly snapped up and don't remain available for long. It's crucial not to miss out on a solid investment waiting for a seemingly better option that might not come along. 4. Consider property management services. Enlisting knowledgeable property management professionals can greatly aid in understanding the intricacies of Utah's property taxes and beyond. They possess in-depth expertise in navigating Utah County's property tax system, employing effective marketing techniques specific to the region, and implementing top-tier strategies for tenant screening. Ultimately, the more seasoned expertise you have at your disposal, the higher your chances of success. Reap the rewards of excellent real estate opportunities in Utah. With a steady influx of new residents, Utah's land value is consistently on the rise. While every investment arena comes with its own set of advantages and drawbacks, the real estate sector remains a top choice for sustained growth over the long haul. As we wrap up our exploration of Utah's dynamic real estate landscape, remember that the journey in property investment doesn't end here. If you're curious about expanding your horizons, consider exploring the real estate market in Montana. Much like Utah, Montana offers its unique set of opportunities and challenges that could be the next big step in your investment journey. Click on the video on the screen to dive into the world of Montana real estate and continue broadening your property investment knowledge.